As an executive director of a women's foundation, one of the things I appreciate most about the Women's Funding Network is the conference, the annual conference that they hold, which brings together executive directors and program staff and board members from all around the world, can come together, exchange ideas, inspire each other, and at least in our case, inspire us to take on a new funding focus for our grant making. Historically, the Women's Foundation has made small annual grants to organizations, but as we looked at women's economic self-sufficiency, we entered into conversations with our grantee partners about how we could have the most impact with our dollars. And one of the things that we heard is that a year isn't enough time when you're tackling an issue that big. And so the Women's Foundation decided at that point to award multi-year grants, larger multi-year grants, to organizations that were doing really exemplary work around women and poverty in our community. One of the organizations that we partnered with for 3 years was the Primavera Foundation, which works primarily with low-income Latinas in our community. And over the 3-year period, more than 150 women have engaged in services that help them reduce their debt, repair their credit, gain budgeting skills, and ultimately own a home. We have 10 women now who are homeowners, and we have another 4 in the pipeline. But perhaps the most unique thing about this program is that we engaged the daughters of these women in financial literacy classes, and now family budgeting and family finance is really a family project, and we see this as a way to break the generational cycle of poverty that we often see among low-income families. My dream for women and girls is embodied in our vision statement, which is a world where women and girls are able to achieve their full potential and pursue their dreams.